Hi, it's Pamela. In this tutorial, we're going to create a square video using Doodly.
Hey, and welcome to the official Doodly YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight to the video.
Square videos are very popular on social media sites like Instagram and Facebook. However, currently, Doodly does not have a native square video export option. I'm hoping someday it will, but in the meantime, what are you going to do? Well, I do have a workaround, and I'm going to share it with you today. In order to make the video square, we are going to need to use a video editor to do that. However, don't worry, you do not need an expensive video editor like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, because we're going to use a free third-party service that you can do it online. So before we get to that part, we need to create the video itself. And what I like to do is use a square container. So you'll see that I put this little square here right in the middle that tells me, okay, this is the safe area. So once I export this video and then use that third-party service to turn it into a square, all this stuff over here is going to be cut away. It's going to be gone. So what we would need to do is build our scene inside the square. Okay, what if you don't have a square? Well, you can make a square. You can import a square. You can find a square on pixabay.com or whatever, or just go over here to Objects in Doodly, type in square, and you'll see these are ones that I imported on my own, but Doodly has some objects. This stop sign, I guess that's a stop sign, is a square, and that's good enough for our needs. So let's just make this one go away. Pretend that you don't have that. Just use this. So you could type in stop and get it. So stop. And it's a square, and it's not the most beautiful square, but it will give you an idea. So what you want to do is make it full size and then center it. So see the little centering lines come on? So now that's perfectly centered. We're going to send it all the way to the back, and that's going to be temporary, but it's going to tell us where we need to put our objects. And then let's go ahead and add an object here. Let's make it speech bubble. Okay, so I have the basics here. It's all my main objects are contained in the square, so I can get rid of the square. So go ahead and select the square and then hit delete. And this is basically my video. Now, do I want the gray for my background, or do I want another background? Well, I could certainly do a different background. So let's just now remember, all this other stuff is going to be cut away. So this, while right now it looks kind of dumb to have this branch just appearing out of nowhere, remember this part is going to be cut off. So it doesn't matter that there's no tree connected to it. So I think this will be fine. So let's go ahead and export it, and we'll go from there. Once you've exported your sequence, upload it to Veed.io's Square Video Maker tool. This little tool here is online, completely free, allows you to create square videos with a single click online. That's what it says. So let's go ahead and click the Choose Video button. You'll notice I don't even need to log in or anything. Now I'm just going to take my video from my desktop, and I'm just going to drag and drop it. Give it a moment to do its little thing. And here it is. So one click turning it into a square. How do we do that? Well, right here, project settings, size. Here's the original, which is the 16:9 aspect ratio. Well, we want 1:1, so Instagram post 1:1. That's going to turn it into square. You want to take a quick look at it? Make a square video. There it is. Now, it's not exactly perfect. I guess I should move my little beehive over, just a little bit there so that it's lined up perfectly. But for now, that's fine. So now we're just going to click export, and we're just going to export the video, okay? It's now ready, so I'm just going to go ahead and download it, MP4. Do we want to allow? Yes. And boom, it's downloaded to my computer. And there you have it. You now have a square video that's ready to be shared on Instagram or Facebook or any of the other sites. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you have fun creating cool square videos with Doodly. Thanks for watching!